Okay, we're going to find out for what value of c will this piecewise function be continuous everywhere. And as we all know, whenever we have a piecewise function, most likely we just have to really check the endpoint, right? Especially for this one, yes, it's always continuous regardless what c is. Likewise, this is also just a polynomial like that. So we just to make sure that if this piece will connect with that piece when x is at 2. So all we have to do is we are going to make sure, I will just have to make sure that, and the technical way to write this down is, okay, the limit as x approaching 2 from the left-hand side, so it's this piece, okay, of the function, it has to be equal to the limit as x approaching 2 positive of the function. And lastly, we also have to make sure that the limit is the same as the value of the function when x is at 2. So we also have to write this down. Technically, this is pretty much for free because when we have x is greater than or equal to 2, right? So this right here is continuous from the right-hand side, so that's nice. But anyway, to do this, all we have to do is putting 2 into here and here. That's all, right? That's the left piece. Let's go ahead and do that. So we have c times 2, and you don't have to write down 2 minus because it's not like an indeterminate form. It's just a nice expression after that, right? So c times 2 to the second power, and then plus 2 times 2. Like this. And then for this one, I just have to plug in 2 right here. And this is going to give us 2 to the third power minus c times 2. Like this. And again, lastly, I should put in 2 into here. But it's redundant because f of 2 is the same as just this, right? Be really careful though. Sometimes you may have 3 lines, 3 conditions. In that case, you really have to put down all these 3 things. But again, this and that is just right away. Anyway, now we just have a regular equation. This is going to be 4c plus 4 equals 8 minus 2c. So of course, bring that to here. So we get 6c. Bring this to here, we get 4. And then divide both sides by 6, we get 4 over 6. Of course, reduce your fractions. I know it's calculus, but still reduce your fraction. In the end, we get c equals 2 over 3. And that is it.